Hey friends, welcome to the 5 biggest drawing mistakes and how to fix them. In this video, I promise you, you will never make these 5 drawing mistakes again. And I drop a free gift at the end of this video. So let's jump in. Mistake number 1, not having a clear shape design before you start. The fix, design your shape before you start as to where things will fall into face. Do a little doodle and figure out where the eyes are falling within that shape. I use a 1/3 to 2/3 ratio. The eyes are in the top third of this drawing. Mistake number 2, no clear light source. Light's coming from everywhere. The fix, remember Rembrandt. There's no mistaking where the light is coming from. The light is coming from the left and it's one light source, not multiple. Know where the light is coming from, keeping it simple. Your job is to clarify and reinforce the light effect. Mistake number 3, not knowing the zygomatic arch. It's super visible, and knowing it gives your face structure, the zygomatic arch. The fix, show me the zygo with your marks. Make your marks and moves reveal it, in the front and on the sides. Number 4, not knowing the sternomastoid. The fix, Google the muscle. Draw it from different angles. Study origin and insert. Starts from behind the ears and from the back of the skull and moves forward towards the clavicle, inserting onto the pit of the sternum with one head and onto the clavicle with the other head. Mistake number 5, not thinking 3-dimensionally or thinking about top planes, side planes, angled planes. The fix, start thinking 3-dimensionally, like a sculptor. Ask yourself, where could I stand? Where would you slide off? Start seeing top planes, side planes, and angled planes. And lastly, a free gift. Welcome to my life-changing tip. Draw the skull. Study this bad boy and you will be awesome. It's as simple as that. Draw it in as many angles as possible. I ordered this from Evolution in New York City back in the day. Carry it around with you wherever you go. So in closing, if you fix just one of these mistakes, your drawings will improve immediately. But if you fix all 5, say hello to the next level, my friend. Bam! So friends, I'm gonna just take this video on out with a little bit of scratch action. This is one of the beautiful things about working on an Epson heavyweight paper. I can fix a lot of my mistakes. All I'm gonna do here is just reinforce the top plane, light that sucker up. I'm also gonna back out and light up a little bit of the edge of this nose since the background got a little bit darker. But let me just say this, thanks for watching, thanks for all the encouragement. Please subscribe, it helps me, and let me know what you wanna see on these ideas about what could be helpful to you. Also, if you wanna know more, I teach these ideas on schoolism.com, also known as Coolism. And I'm also on Patreon, talking about all these ideas and doing individual critiques each month on Patreon. So that's a wrap, my friends. I'll see you in the next lessons, and welcome to the next level after you implement these ideas. Later, my friends.
Dang, that's cool. Look at him scratch away. Man, how do I get that?
Thank you. Thank you very much for those of you who made it all the way to the end. Thank you. Thank you. Bam.
Now, Rockwell for Hunt, making of this video.